In this lesson, we will understand what is call by value in C language. We will also see an example. Let us start. In C, when you pass arguments to a function, the default method of passing these arguments is call by value. This means the copy of the actual argument's value is passed to the function. Any changes made to the parameter within the function do not affect the optional argument. This ensures data protection as the original data remains unchanged. Let us see an example on VS Code to implement call by value. Here is our VS Code. We created a new folder Amit project and added all the programs. Let us create a new file. Right click, new file, demo34.c. Let us add a comment. Now we will add the header file. Let us create a function. Within that, add a parameter, integer variable x. In the function body, I'll give a value 10 to the variable x. Here is the main function. I'll create an integer variable a and assign 5 to it. Now I'll call change value and pass a. Okay. And then I'll print the value of a. Since it's an integer, %d is the modifier. And here it is. Okay. Return 0. We missed the semicolon. So what will happen when this will be called? The output will be 5. And this will not affect the actual parameter. The actual values you pass to a function when you call it is called actual parameters. Okay, now I'll just copy this and paste before calling. Let me mention this. Save, right click, run. Okay, I'll just mention the /n. Here you can see before and after the values are 5 only. Okay, and when I'll copy and paste here within the function, okay, right click, run. Now you can see the value inside the function would be 10. I missed the semicolon. Right click, run. Look, the value inside the function is 10 only, but here it is 5. In call by value, a copy of the actual parameter's value is passed to the function. That is, this value we are passing is a copy. Okay. Changes made to the parameter inside the function do not affect the original value outside the function. Okay. That's why the output was the following. Okay. It remained the same later on after calling also. The variable a is initialized to 5. The original variable a remains unchanged outside the function, demonstrating that the function only worked with a copy of the value. Using call by values ensures that the original data remains unchanged, making it a safe way to pass data to functions for read-only operations. This is what we saw. Okay, the value of a was 5. Here a got printed, then the function was called. Here the value was 10, therefore 10 got printed. After calling, when you will print the value of a, it will display the same 5 only. That means the value remains unchanged. Here it is. This is what we call by value in C language. So guys, we saw what is call by value. We also saw an example. We saw that when you call a function, copies of the arguments are made and passed to the function. Thank you for watching the video.